Good morning, everyone. I have important information to share related to our subject. We need everyone's cooperation for a specific task, and the student who performs exceptionally well will be rewarded. This task will contribute to your final examination and involves various learning methods. I hope everyone will find it enjoyable. Thank you. Hello, students. I trust that everyone is informed and well prepared for the task and topics at hand. I encourage each one of you to share your answers. Someone will come and he will ask the questions. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and let him know. What is the code to calculate the sum of two numbers, a and b, in Python?
Answer: sum equals sign a plus b.
How can you check if a number is even in Python?
Answer: is underscore even equal sign number %2 equal sign 0.
What is the Python code to get the length of a list named my_list?
Length equals sign len mylist.
Thank you, students, for your cooperation. I will keep you updated on the results. Appreciate your participation. Thank you.
The results have been announced, and Miss Emily emerged as the winner.
Hey, what's the matter?
Not much. I've been pondering over Emily's answers and how she seems to have a practical understanding of everything.
I noticed that Miss Emily secured the win because she received training from IntelliMindz Training Institute. While we focus on theoretical learning here, IntelliMindz provides practical training with examples. This approach is highly beneficial for our exams and future careers. Check out their website and consider joining for a chance to excel in upcoming tasks. Goodbye.